Hey Legend, thank you for cruising by my channel where I talk about dual enrollment, business, and tech. My name is Amara, also known as AM Legend, and the dual enrollment planner is finally here. An academic planner to meet the needs of dual enrollment students was a long time in the making. I had the initial idea of a dual enrollment planner after I graduated high school and college at 16. And while I was a dual enrollment student, I pretty much used a makeshift planner and guide to help me keep track of my classes. So that included notebook paper and a pencil. I am so excited to share the release of a dual enrollment agenda to help you be successful. So in addition to sharing the features of the planner, I will also reveal how this started out as just an idea. You may be wondering why you need the dual enrollment planner. As a dual enrollment student, you often have to juggle the class schedule, assignments, and timeline of your high school and college. You may still have your college classes in session while you're off of high school for spring break. Your finals week can be a month apart. So these are just a few examples of why time management is important for dual enrollment students compared to if a student was only attending one institution. There does not exist a planner for students in this program, especially if you're trying to receive dual credit. If your goal is to graduate high school and/or college early, you have to track every class, credit, and grade to make sure you meet your goals. I was very fortunate enough that I was able to graduate at 16 without a planner similar to the dual enrollment planner, but I will admit it was very hard. And I don't want another student to go through what I did, but to instead focus on earning college credit in high school to be debt-free and graduate early. Now let's talk about the evolution of the dual enrollment planner. My intention for the dual enrollment planner was to blend a traditional design and an academic planner that made students feel comfortable using it while curating every single page to help students navigate dual enrollment in some way. And I am happy to say that we have achieved exactly that. Once we passed the stage of cultivating my idea, we moved on to the initial sketch. During this stage, we knew we wanted the dual enrollment planner to be undated so students could fill in their schedule when they're in session. Some students will only want to attend class, spring and fall semester. Other students may want to attend even during the summer too, like I did. We also wanted students to feel empowered as they flip through every page of the planner. So that's why we added education quotes, dual enrollment tips, and places to set your goals. Then we created a digital rough draft to outline all the pages we would need in the dual enrollment planner. We introduced the idea of a grading scale conversion chart for students to calculate their high school GPA from the grades they got in their college classes. And this later led us to develop the dual enrollment GPA calculator on our website right now. Beyond a place for GPA tracking, we also added a semester checklist. Next, we designed a digital version on a graphic design platform. This took the longest amount of time because we had to create our content, letter from the CEO, quotes, tips, just to name a few. And multiple versions followed after the first, but we established our design. We ordered a proof of the dual enrollment planner which needed slight changes. Printing a planner versus making a planner digitally are two totally different things. It was a transformational process for us, but we came out of it with the dual enrollment planner, which is something you can hold in your hands today. Features of the dual enrollment planner included our fillable pages to track your educational goals, helpful tips to help you navigate the program successfully, and a place to manage your dual enrollment schedules to ensure dual credit, a perfect layout for you. In addition to the key elements that make up an academic college planner, such as pages to manage important dates, weekly calendars, monthly calendars, and semester planning, sprinkled throughout is everything a student needs to earn a college degree with dual enrollment. So now I'm going to read to you what's inside the planner just so I don't miss anything. An introduction to dual enrollment, unlabeled page to mark important dates and holidays, grading scale conversion chart for dual enrollment students. There is also honors, AP, and IB on that chart as well. GPA tracker for 3 semesters, semester checklist for 3 semesters as well, goal planning for 3 semesters, and a table to manage dual enrollment classes and dual enrollment equivalency. This is probably the highlight of this planner and why it's so important for students to have it. You have a place to mark what your high school classes are, what college classes you're taking, and if you're taking college classes, put what the high school equivalent is. This is what will help you manage your dual enrollment classes so you can graduate early and receive dual credit. Next, I also have tables to organize class information for each semester. So your professor's name, textbooks, what your class hours are, just an example of a few columns we have in there. You also have a page to design your ideal week for each semester. So important. If you are volunteering, working internships, you have other high school requirements, extracurriculars, sports, and you're managing high school and college classes, keep an eye out for the ideal week. That will be crucial for your success. We also have 12 monthly calendars with an inspiring education quote and dual enrollment tip for each month. So keep an eye out for that as well. You can use those 12 monthly calendars over one full year for all of, for example, 2021, or you can use it for any semester that you're in college. So if 3 semesters are over 2 years, that's why we made them undated for you. Next, we also have 52 weekly calendars and blank pages to develop a vision board. Keep an eye out for that in the back of the planner. Make sure you plan your goals, educational wise, professionally, all the in between, so that you can see where you're going. And if you want to graduate early, that's definitely my favorite spot for you. Now let's talk about the specs. It is a 6 by 9 inch planner. It has a black coil bind and 60-pound paper. So you can use your pencils or pens and it will be the perfect weight not to bleed through like traditional notebooks. Now let's address the question I'm sure you've been waiting to ask: how to order the dual enrollment planner. We are beyond excited to offer the dual enrollment planner to everyone on our website at dualenrollment.co. On our shop, you will also see that we offer apparel, Dual Enrollment Got Me Here t-shirt, got a degree for free, and graduate uploading sweatshirt. We also have office supplies that complement the planner, and my book, The Strategic Mind of a Young Legend, is theirs for you to purchase. And for supporting us this far and waiting for the launch of the Dual Enrollment Planner, please use coupon code LAUNCH20 when you check out so you can receive 20% off. If you would like to offer the Dual Enrollment Planner in your college bookstore, high school store, or other retail spots, please contact us at our website, dualenrollment.co. And if you have an audience and you want to share any of our other products with your audience, we also have an affiliate program for you to join. Definitely go to dualenrollment.co for more information on that as well. I hope you enjoy using the planner as much as I enjoyed creating it. And remember, every young legend started out with a dream to be legendary. Bye, legend.